Hey my queens, welcome to my video. This is your girl Queen Neat. For the ones that are new here, welcome. And pretty much the ones that's been here since day one, hey, how y'all doing? So right now I'm doing the process of, prepping my hair before I put my wig on. So right now what I'm showing you is the Taraji P. Henson scalp scrub. So I apply this to my scalp because I know I got a lot of buildup, and also my scalp is always itchy. So this product is very good and soothing to my scalp. It has peppermint, tea tree oil, other benefits that also are included in here. But those are the main ingredients that will make your scalp feel so cool and soothing. So right now I'm just applying it all over my hair, my scalp. And then pretty much I'm going to follow up with my shampoo as well. So right now I'm just, trying to make sure everything distribute on my scalp. And yeah, I'm also going to follow up with a shampoo as well. But I will let y'all know what product that I use once I put the product in my hair. It is getting all over my face. Getting all on my face. My husband sitting there talking to me. As y'all see that it does kind of, you know, bring up subs up. Like it's a shampoo, which it is. It's just a scalp shampoo. So I'm just massaging it in, just making sure that it's, well coated and everything. And then I mean, y'all, this felt so good. My scalp felt so refreshed. I mean, like literally refreshed. Then this is the Mielle sea moss anti-shedding. Yes, y'all. This is my first ever using this product, and I am impressed. I love the product. I am dealing with a lot of shedding with my hair because I always keep my hair up and I really don't comb it because with curly hair, it's just not fun combing your hair. So you can see a lot of little shedded ends as y'all seen in the beginning of the video. But I'm gonna just apply the shampoo all over my head, massage it in. It feels so good. Y'all see how I'm looking. Trying to make sure I get everything coated because my hair is so thick. I mean, literally, it's so thick. Trying to make sure it get on my ends as well, which is not really mandatory, but I just want to make sure it get coated all over my head. It feels so good, y'all. And I'm gonna turn around for y'all to see my back. Y'all, look at them curls. Look at them. Trying to get every little inch of my head. But right here, I'm just gonna let y'all continue to watch. But the next step will be pretty much me conditioning my hair as well. And I will come back once I start that process as well. Lift me up. So right here, I don't rinse my hair out, y'all, with the shampoo, letting y'all see like how clean my hair would have came. I think I washed my hair like twice. I didn't show that because I already showed y'all the process of how I pretty much wash my hair, but it is pretty much squeaky clean, and I'm just pretty much splitting it into sections so I can start applying my Yale anti-shedding conditioner so it can distribute all the way through. So I'm gonna just sit here and let y'all watch that part as well. And y'all just tell me how I'm doing on this voice over because I normally don't Well, I'm not gonna say I don't normally do that, but it's just like challenging. But anywho, I'm gonna just let y'all watch me do the process. I did not feel like getting any type of clamps or anything. I was lazy. So y'all gonna see me kind of twist up my hair into sections. And it may fall back out, but hey, I'm gonna get the job done. But yeah, I'm just let y'all watch. Hold me down, keep me clean, safe and sound.
It's that we made. I ain't never need handouts, cause that was never me. Hand out cash outs, it's Ricky on my sleeve. Get under these bitches' skin like as if I was they sleeve. When I'm done serving bitches, that's when I might have to leave. Move wrong and my niggas send your family to grieve. Oh, it's chestnut checkers, me you cannot deceive. I done got these bitches tight like a soda and weed. I nuck a hoe with her buck, now she look like a bee. Real bitches be seen, I bet them bitches believe. And I ain't fuck with other bitches since Adam and Eve. Many bitches so dirty, get some summer needs. Look.
Alrighty, so you guys, I am about to get ready and do the most important step, which is doing a deep conditioner. I always do this step, even if I'm not doing braids, I'm always doing this extra step with a most important deep conditioner. So what I'm using is Camille Rose, the black castor oil. This is pretty much good for any type of, damaged hair that needs to be revitalized and everything like that. I'm going to show you the consistency. So it's kind of like a thick consistency. Y'all, when I tell you this product was amazing, y'all. It was so amazing. So I'm just going to section off my hair again and also leave this on my hair for at least, I think it was like 30 minutes. I probably let it stay in my hair for like an hour or so because I had errands that I had to do around the house. Well, chores, I guess you can say. But I'm going to just let y'all watch what I'm doing. But I'm going to section my hair on each part of doing this so I can make sure all of my hair is coated with this conditioner. Alright, so let y'all continue watching.
It's that we made. I ain't never need handouts, cause that was never me. Hand out cash outs, it's Ricky on my sleeve. Get under these bitches' skin like as if I was they sleeve. When I'm done serving bitches, that's when I might have to leave. Move wrong and my niggas send your family to grieve. Oh, it's chestnut checkers, me you cannot deceive. I done got these bitches tight like a soda and weed. I knock a hoe with her buck, now she look like a bee. Real bitches be seen, I bet them bitches believe. And I ain't fuck with hot bitches since Adam and Eve. Many bitches so dirty, get some summer and needs. Look, been living on bitches' necks, now they need to be relieved. Hating on a real bitch is one of my pet peeves. Hot bitches like they appeal, let me get the lead. Steady birthing bitches last month when you was conceived. My nigga shake weight like it's a maraca.
So right here, I just pretty much just distributed all of that deep conditioner, just making sure every strand is coated. And I'm just letting y'all see how it pretty much have my hair after I completed the process. As y'all see, it pretty much is all distribute, and I'm just pretty much just finger combing it to see at first I was doing that finger combing just to get all the little dead hair before I put a wide tooth comb. So as y'all can see, I am combing that through to make sure everything is like completely coated. So yeah, and it was pretty much coated, y'all, and it may seem as though I do have some little kinks in the end of my hair, but my hair was so soft after this product. And just to let y'all know, this is a unsponsored video. This is something that I do with my hair before I apply my wig. So yeah. And if y'all want to try these products, I pretty much got these products from CVS. Yeah, I went to CVS and got these products. I actually been just gawking at these products for the longest, and I'm finally just purchased it. So, yep, as y'all see, I am about to pretty much put a bag over my head once I'm done, making sure everything is coated and everything. I'm actually about to twist it up into sections. And then once I'm done completing, I'll definitely show y'all the end results. So here it goes.
Bitches, that's when I might have to leave. Move wrong and my niggas send your family to grieve. Oh, it's chestnut checkers, me you cannot deceive. I done got these bitches tight like a soda and weed. I knock a hoe with her buck, now she look like.
So I know this probably pretty much ghetto, y'all, but I did not have a shower cap. So for me to track in the moisture and also the heat, I just put in this. I think this is the actual bag that I bought those products out of from CVS. But I just tied this on here because it's pretty much do the same thing as a shower cap. So I just pretty much showing y'all what I'm doing, even though it is kind of ghetto. But hey, I get me a little scrunchie and just tie it so it can trap in that moisture and heat, so that conditioner can pretty much work. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all, and then yeah, let y'all finish watching.
Now look how they run with the runs in my blunts, and I keep it short, very blunt. In my Babiana, yeah, I like it short, very blunt. When the princes come, all you bitches pausing away. You was sliding with the ops, you was biting the bait. I ain't choose it, I was chosen, it was my fate. And if you wanna reach me, line 8, gon' have to wait. Ain't never still, no, I'm good at every state.
So hey you guys, I know I'm looking crazy, but as I was telling y'all in my last clip that I was gonna get my hair braided and install a wig that I just got from Unice. So this is where I'm going to pretty much get my hair braided. That's what I'm about to do. I caught myself to blow dry my hair, but as y'all see, it puffed kind of back up, but it stretched out enough. I'm really kind of disappointed because the person that normally do my hair pretty much stood me up. But that's another story. I'm not even gonna worry about that. So I just going to a a local salon, which is in Walmart, to pretty much braid my hair. And these motherfuckers charging me $32.90 for, it's called a full style, which I don't feel like it's a full style, it's just braid down. But okay, it's whatever. I need my hair braided, so that's what I'm about to do. And I'm gonna take y'all with me. So yeah, that part. So that's where I'm on my way right now, and I'm just about to pretty much, you know, take y'all with me.
Anyway, we out. Who the fuck just it was me now? I know these bitches, I ain't know these bitches. Married a shooter, case you niggas tried to breathe loud. Boom your face off, then I tell them ceasefire. I'm the AB 700.
On my way.
Flips all in the whip. It's 40s with 30 clips, left ends with the switch. Guacamole with the taco, waiting on El Chapo. Came in the rose and left low in the taco. 100 rounds on it, da-da-da. Real one nigga, shot-da-da. She my little vibe, my little ah-ah-ah. Bad guy, never run from nobody like that. Rude boy, want me touching on his body like that.
Hey, my beautiful people, queens, kings, fresh braids. Feel with them, because I know I'm just gonna put it under my braids, but I feel like she could have just braided that part. See, that's why I wanted that person that I normally have do my hair, because I like how she braided my hair, but she stood me up. But it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. I'm satisfied. I mean, they braided up. It's better than I could do for right now, so I am hungry. I need my eyebrows waxed. Should I go get them waxed? Should I go get them waxed? Because they do need them. But how y'all doing? This is a good old Tuesday. So I was trying to do my wig before I go to work, but apparently I won't be able to do that. So it might be tonight that I install it. Maybe. Depends on how I feel, because I be so tired. Yeah, on that part. So
con nào đi với chồng nó luôn á.
Gọn cái đâu mặt hả?
Tập trai mẹ, tập chim, người ta tập chim dân mà dân tập chim dân mà đi mà giữ mày giữ cường đó, mà dân bảo vệ bảo vệ là một ngày giữ vậy là mấy trăm đô đó. Bạn không làm thôi. Bây giờ mai bà mê đó.
Nó còn gọn hơn thịt.
Bây giờ mai bà mê đó thấy hả? Gia đình nó còn mê nữa.
Gia đình nó phải là nó là chú luôn. Gần đó chạy xe theo ổn nè.
Nhà nó tao còn mê không kêu mai ra. Đẹp trai còn mê nữa.
Bắt đầu bố nó đi chợ Nga xe tàu của Nga chợ xong đó. Quá
Ghế cái đảnh nè, hết dao ra rồi.
Mẹ đến gọi con, mẹ con gọi mail ra cái mẹ. Hi Siri. Hi Siri.
Hỏi mày đâu?
Mẹ chứ. Siri chứ queo rồi.
Gì không?
I call Siri. Siri don't answer me.
I know, right? She'll never answer. She answers when she wants to.
Okay, girl.
Thank you. Yes. Right.
You looking for you want your nail done on your mom? My mama wants Miriam to cut them. Tell her come look like around, look like after 3 o'clock and better. That time she coming. Okay. I tried to call her, but she don't pick up my phone. I'm so sorry about that. Okay.
Sao? Không gọi hả?
Muốn mua mai là cắt xuống thôi.
Thằng cứ cắt xuống mà để kiếm mấy ra chứ nha. Tao biết mặt như vậy.
Sai cho mua mình rồi. Sai cho mua.
There you go.
Bữa nay không có khách gì người ta lỡ làm thì cũng cắt xuống không. Hiểu không?
You got another receipt?
Oh yeah, you want receipt?
Yes, ma'am.
Because now a lot of people don't like the receipt. That's why.
You okay?
Ăn đọc thì là gì?
Thank you. Ooh, yes.
Face off, then I tell him ceasefire. I'm the AB, 700 on the horses when we fixin' to leave. But I don't fuck it since Christopher Reeves. Gotta be careful when I dip, it's flips all in the whip. It's 40s with 30 clips, left ends with the switch. Guacamole with the taco, waiting on El Chapo. Came in the rolls and left low in the taco. 100 rounds on it, da-da-da. Real one, nigga, shot, da-da. She my little vibe, my little ah-ah. You know what to do if you ever miss me. Miss me with the na-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Grab a drink, I need a skip now. 247, I be in this state now. But like I know long time.
Tease like that, why I'ma tease like that? Ew, na-na-na-na-na-na-na. He tell me bring him that na-na-na-na-na-na-na. We don't be caring like that, na-na-na-na-na-na. I like it when he rub my cheeks like that, why I'm a freak like that. Da-da-da. 100 rounds on it, da-da-da. Real one, nigga, shot, da-da. She my little vibe, my little ah-ah-ah. Bad girl, don't run from nobody like Rude boy, want me touching on his body like yeah. Boy, I feel dead if he ever diss me. You know what to do if he ever miss me. Queenly bitches wanna come out like a cockroach until I'm cooking in the kitchen like a pot roast. That new Spectre, we don't fill potholes. Dorito bitches mad that they nachos. Shout out my vatos, shout out the hoes that's watching me like my vatos. Click, click, all them backspace photos. Why would you post those? Make I got whoopee since I heard you like my ghost horse. Big truck, but I'm alone.
It's that we mad. I ain't never need handouts, cause that was never me. Hand out cash outs, it's Ricky on my sleeve. Get under these bitches' skin like as if I was they sleeve. When I'm done serving bitches, that's when I might have to leave. Move wrong and my niggas send your family to grieve. Oh, it's chestnut checkers, me you cannot deceive. I done got these bitches tight like a soda and weed. I nuck a hoe with her buck, now she look like a bee. Real bitches be seen, I bet them bitches believe. And I ain't fuck with hot bitches since Adam and Eve. Many bitches so dirty, get some summer needs. Look, been living on bitches' necks, now they need to be relieved. Hating on a real bitch is one of my pet peeves. Hot bitches like they appeal, let me get the lead. Steady birthing bitches last month when you was conceived. My nigga shake weight like it's a maraca. And no, he never very far from the chopper. He aim it at your brain, right into your mata. Hold your drinks up, now we drinking basa. I'm hitting the blunt right up out the grappa. Now he wanna hit it like it's a piñata. Know that it's some water, yeah, it's me agua. Like my guala, different colors like you want. And to you niggas, how you wanna be? Can't stand a bitch on her run. That's why I move dolo, I ain't wiping nobody's son. Hot like the sun, he between the chocolate buns. Shitted on them, now look how they run with the runs. Runs in my blunts, and I keep it short, very blunt. In my Babiana, yeah, I like it short, very blunt. When the princes come, all you bitches pausing away. You was sliding with the ops, you was biting the bait. I ain't choose it, I was chosen, it was my fate. And if you wanna reach me, line 8, gon' have to wait. Ain't never still, no, I'm good at every state. Shit nice, body giving up figure eights. Nigga, your lids, tears, my ass, he just eats. Now be gone, then I put his ass up with the crates. My nigga shake weight like it's a maraca. And no, he never very far from the chopper. He aim it at your brain, right in now he wanna hit it like it's a piñata. Know that it's some water, yeah, it's me agua. Like my guala, different colors like iguana.
I kick up to the gutter.
Only on the seas if it's breeze. Red ruby the sleeves, Chinese on my sleeve. These wanna be Chinese anyway. Ye out. Bitches, they was me now. I know these slow, I ain't know these out. Married a shooter case you niggas tried to breathe loud. Boom your face off, then I tell them ceasefire. I'm the AB, 700 on the horses when we fixin' to leave. But I don't fuck with horses for Reeves. Gotta be careful when I dip, it's flips all in the whip. It's 40s with 30 clips, left ends with the switch. Guacamole with the taco, waiting on El Chapo. Came in the rolls and left low in the taco. 100 rounds on it, da-da-da. Real one nigga, shot-da-da. She my little vibe, my little ah-ah-ah. Bad girl, never run from nobody like rude boy, want me touching on his body like that. Boy, I feel dead if he ever diss me. You know what to do if he ever miss me. Miss me with the na-na-na-na-na-na-na. I stay with my na-na-na-na-na-na-na. His ex hitting me like na-na-na-na-na-na-na. He want the bad girl sleaze like that, well I'ma tease like that. Ew, na-na-na-na-na-na-na. He tell me bring him that na-na-na-na-na-na-na. We don't be caring like that, na-na-na-na-na-na. I like it when he rub my cheeks like that, while I'm a freak like that. Da-da-da. 100 rounds on it, da-da-da. Real one nigga, shot-da-da. She my little vibe, my little ah-ah-ah. Bad girl, don't run from nobody like rude boy, want me touching on his body like yeah. Boy, I feel dead if he ever diss me. You know what to do if he ever miss me. Cleanly, bitches wanna come out like a cockroach. Until I'm cooking in the kitchen like a pot roast. That new Spectre, we don't feel pot.